triple candlestick patterns, 3 soldiers and crows. In this video you will learn what a 3 soldiers pattern is, what a 3 crows pattern is, how you can recognize the 3 soldiers and 3 crows pattern, additional considerations when trading these patterns. The 3 soldiers pattern is a bullish reversal pattern. It is also sometimes called the 3 advancing soldiers or 3 white soldiers and is found at the end of a downtrend. It is a clear indication of a shift in the balance from the sellers to the buyers. The pattern is made up of 3 consecutive bullish candlesticks. The bodies of the second and third candlestick should be approximately the same size, although traders generally look for 3 candlesticks of approximately the same size. The candles have small or no upper wicks. If the third candlestick is visibly smaller than the preceding 2 candles, this means that the buyers are not completely in control and may indicate weakness among the buyers. This could be a riskier trade setup as the candle indicates potential weakness. The 3 crows pattern, also referred to as the 3 black crows, is a reversal pattern found at the end of an uptrend. It indicates a clear shift in balance from buyers to sellers after an uptrend. The pattern is made up of 3 consecutive bearish candlesticks. The bodies of the second and third candlestick should be approximately the same size, although traders generally look for 3 candlesticks of approximately the same size. They have small or no lower wicks. If the third candlestick is visibly smaller than the preceding 2 candles, this means that the sellers are not completely in control and may indicate weakness among the sellers. This would be classed as a riskier trade setup. The 3 soldiers and 3 crows pattern provide very strong signals. However, you should bear in mind that an overextended body within the pattern might mean that the price may have advanced too quickly, and the market could be oversold in the case of a bearish reversal, or overbought in the case of a bullish reversal. You should take care when considering a trade based on this. And if the wick of any of the candlesticks forming the pattern is longer than one of the bodies, then caution is advised when perceiving it as a 3 soldiers or 3 crows pattern. So far, you have learned that the 3 soldiers and the 3 crows are reversal patterns. The 3 soldiers consist of 3 consecutive bullish candlesticks after a downtrend that have approximately the same size and small or no wicks. The 3 crows consist of 3 consecutive bearish candlesticks after an uptrend that have approximately the same size and have small or no wick.